Hey guys, welcome to another voiceover video with me. So firstly, I start off by pushing the cuticles, then I gently remove them using the cuticle remover. Then I use my driller to remove the shine on a natural nail. I always make sure that I put my driller on a very low speed of 1 or 2 so that I don't damage my client's nails, natural nails. Then here my client, she wanted just a medium set of coffin shape. Like I said on my previous video that I prefer to buy square tips because I feel like with square you can turn them into any shape. So for my shaping, I use my hand filer, which is 100 to 180 grit, but I prefer to use the hard side to make the shape. As you can see, then here after shaping and everything, I start with my prep. For my prep, I firstly start with dehydrator, then sticky bond, then I go in with my rubber base. Then the rubber base, I cure it for 60 seconds. I promise you guys, this is like a changing game for me. My nails, they last longer ever since I added the rubber base. My nails, they last like more than a month now. Okay, they were lasting for like a month, but now they last like close to 2 months. Just that clients, they come after a month, they say, yo, these nails, they can't anymore, they want they want a new set. So like, I promise you, if you can try this prep, especially if you're in South Africa, I promise you, you're gonna thank yourself. Okay guys, so when it comes to drilling or filing using a nail driller, make sure that near the cuticles you put your drill speed on a very low speed. I usually put on 2 or 3 when I file near the cuticles using the nail driller. Then for the rest of the nail, I can put it on 10 to 15 or about to 20, yeah. But make sure that closer to the cuticles, you should put the speed on a very, very low speed so that you don't hurt your client. So guys, as you can see here, before I started with like drawings and everything, I start by applying a base coat, then I cure it for 60 seconds. And don't be worried when you see that the base coat doesn't dry. It's like that. It has a sticky texture, and yeah, I feel like it makes everything smooth, my drawing smooth on top of the nail, unlike when I draw without applying it. Yes, especially as a beginner, it really helps to make your any design that you are drawing smoother, and yeah, it just helps. So guys, as you can see there, I'm done with a black gel. So the design, it also has like silver grayish design just to outline next to the black gel. So I was like, I will use a chrome powder. Then before I start with like doing my chrome, I first start by applying top coat, then I cure it for 60 seconds. Then I buff it. I buff the nails after curing, just to remove the shine on the nails for my chrome. Then that's why I started with like those lines next to black for that touch of a grayish silver design. You'll see now.